Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take off your shirt in NBA 2K26. That's possible by leveling up your player and leveling up your reps. So the option will get unlocked and that way you can go for shirtless. In order to do that, what you need to do, firstly just hit option key. Then this kind of window will open. Here you just need to go over to city, and once that open, just here we need to open the option rep rewards. Now if we look at here on the rookie, if we go to rookie 4, here you can see that this is the option which will get unlocked at rookie 4, and this is exactly the option which will allow us to take the shirt off and flex in the city. In order to unlock this, you need to win some matches, play with some random players and get reps, and that way you will easily able to get unlock it. What I can say is that this will not take that much time if you do it correctly. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can take your shirt off in the city. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.